Have you ever reached a point where you have worked so hard for something only to feel nothing when you finally achieve it? That strange emptiness after reaching success when joy doesn't come, only silence. That's the feeling Sri Aurobindo captures in his haunting poem, Despair on the Staircase. It's not just about sadness, it's about the spiritual fatigue that comes after long struggle and enlightenment that suddenly feels hollow. This poem takes us into the inner staircase of the human soul, where the seeker climbs towards light only to face darkness again, not below but within. Shri Aurobindo Ghosh, philosopher, freedom fighter, and a mystic poet, was not just writing verses, he was mapping the inner journey of the soul. In Despair on the Staircase, he presents the moment of crisis every seeker faces, the moment when faith falters even after reaching great heights. Let's look closely at what the poem expresses. The speaker begins by saying, I have climbed to the top of staircase of light, and all that I sought for is plain in my sight. Here, the staircase of light symbolizes the path of spiritual ascent, knowledge, meditation, enlightenment. The speaker claims to have reached the top where truth and understanding are visible. Yet, instead of joy, he feels numbness. He says he has not the heart to rejoice or aspire. This is the paradox of enlightenment, when one touches light but feels darkness. Then he admits, I have lost faith in the good I have sought, and my heart is weary of heavenly thought. Here, Aurobindo explores the spiritual exhaustion of the seeker. Even divine ideals, goodness, purity, heavenly vision starts to feel meaningless. This is not atheism or rejection of God. It's disillusionment. The soul's confusion when faith stops giving comfort. The poet expresses universal human fatigue, when even noble ideas cannot fill the emptiness inside. In the third stanza, we hear the turning point. A mysterious voice, perhaps the divine self or the inner soul, speaks to him. O soul, there is more to see, there is a height beyond heights and a deeper deep. This moment changes everything. The voice tells him that even though he has climbed high, he has not yet reached the end. There are higher realms of consciousness still waiting. Stronger light, broader vision, mightier love. The despair is not an end, it's a doorway to something even greater. Aurobindo uses this voice to represent divine guidance, the whisper of faith that comes when the seeker feels lost. It tells the poet not to turn back to worldly pleasures or illusions, but to keep pressing forward where the light is dim, until a new brightness shall dawn within. That dim light represents hope in darkness, the slow but sure emergence of higher truth from despair. What makes Despair on the Staircase powerful is that it captures a psychological and spiritual truth. Every seeker, every believer, every human being who strives for meaning faces this crisis. Aurobindo doesn't hide from it. He accepts that despair is part of the journey. The staircase of light doesn't end in a single step. It continues endlessly upward. It's also interesting that the poem is not dramatic in language but quiet, personal, and deeply reflective. It is as though Aurobindo is speaking from his own experience during his years of meditation and isolation, when he confronted darkness in his inner path before discovering divine peace. Notice the structure of the poem, students. Four stanzas that move from achievement, disillusionment, divine voice, and then renewal of faith. It's almost like spiritual cycle from light to darkness and back to higher light. The rhythm is calm, the rhyme is simple, but the meaning is profound. So what does Aurobindo want us to take away from the Despair on the Staircase? He teaches us that despair is not failure. It is a necessary shadow on the way to light. When the seeker feels lost, when faith fades, when even heaven feels empty, that's when the soul is tested. And those who continue climbing, even when the staircase seems endless, find that a new light, a deeper and purer illumination, dawns from within. In our lives, we all have our staircases, dreams, goals, spiritual searches, or emotional journeys. Sometimes we reach what we thought was the top and still feel hollow. Sri Aurobindo reminds us, don't stop there. Despair is not the end of the path, it is the beginning of higher one. As we stand on our own staircase of light and shadow, may we remember Sri Aurobindo's whisper. Press on the way where the light is dim, till the brightness you seek shall dawn within. So this is the ending of the poem, children. If you have understood the poem, please hit the bell icon, subscribe to my channel, like and comment below and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.